Okay, what we have here is we're doing a keyless entry for our Porsche 1985 928. We're going to show some pictures here, but what we did is we soldered in on the driver's side kick panel where the control motor unit is. There's two wires, there's a yellow and a green, so just soldered them on top. I'll show a picture of that close up later. Are negative triggered. So as you can see, the way it gets wired up is the yellow and black are tied together and then grounded. And again, this is just my temporary setup to make sure it all works. And then we have white goes with the yellow. And I'm like, sure here. Yeah, white is with yellow. And then the white and black goes to the green for the lock, unlock. Colors are pretty standard. I didn't use anything else for this setup. I'm not using lights, parking lights, or anything else. It's a very cheap $15 setup I got off of eBay. Just wanted to get the locking feature to work. Just wanted to share with everybody how it gets done. And it's straightforward once you figure it all out. But and understand that it is a negative locking system. And then under here, you know, you just got, it's going to just have your standard red, which is a fuse line that's going to be connected to a 12 volt constant. And then you also have your ground. I chose the grounding spot where all the grounds are to ground versus some other random spot. So I feel comfortable with that, but that's just the general idea. I'll have another video of when we get it all buttoned up, but that's the basic outline to make sure it works. All right, see you. Okay, phase 2 was to find a good spot for the box itself. So what I did is I pulled the CE panel, just a couple screws, was able to pull it forward. I go ahead and went at a permanent mount of the black. Okay, for phase 3, we connected the yellow to the white and the green to the black and white wires. Just kind of used one of those nifty little soldering connectors, ran it through the carpet and through the wires here, and time to put everything back. And then everything's tucked away up there pretty nicely, ready to go. Okay, clean it up. CE panel's back. We're gonna shut the door, see what happens. All right. Success. You may have to make sure your locks reset or use your key to reset the locks possibly, and you need the doors to be shut or this operation won't work. So if you're trying to get to start with the doors open, it's not going to work for you. So make sure the doors are shut. Make sure your central door lock system works in advance, and always make sure that you have the battery disconnected during this process. You are dealing with a lot of voltage coming through, and this is a good way that you could do some damage or cause a fire if you don't have the battery disconnected. So just practice good electrical skills there.